What is up, guys? It is Saturday, meaning it's time to put in some work in the garage. As you can see, I've got a lot of projects ahead of me on the Civic, and it's time to get to work and start knocking out some of these projects we got. You guys know how it is. You kind of collect parts throughout the week, and then come Saturday, that's your time to put them together. So today, you guys saw I replaced the door. Had that big old dent and wasn't shutting that well, so we got a new door on there. The only issue is the new door came off of the DX model, so in order to keep my tweeter here, I'm gonna have to go through and tear out the entire wiring harness out of this door and get it into the new door. So we're working on that today. I picked up a new front bumper, which is only slightly better condition than the one that came off of it. But yeah, as you can see, we got a little bit of a dent issue there, so we're gonna get that baking in the sun, probably hit it with the heat gun, and hopefully we can pop that out. And then I'm going to put that mirror on because it's better condition than the one on the door currently. And then we picked up some OEM headlights, so I'm going to get those restored and hopefully we can button up the front end today. So that's the goal, and we're gonna get to it.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Alright guys, we just got that door completely wrapped up. Door panel fought me a good little bit, but we've got it all together and ready to go. The locks, window, all work. We got the silver mirror on there that's in much better condition than the other one. And that pretty much wraps it up for this, for the door over here. That was one of the big projects on this car, was completely swapping the door over there. And I still need to find the trim piece. I think it's in the trunk, but yeah, just the trim piece, and then that's all pretty much finished up over there. Yeah, that kind of wraps it up here for today, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace. Shout out Pillsbury Doughboy.